One of the things I've noticed with using Ecamm Live is that sometimes if I switch from using my internal speakers and open up Ecamm, and then I decide I want to use my Rodecaster Pro, is that I will get some of these funky icons that appear up in the sound levels area, and it will show as if there is an issue with me needing to adjust my audio feedback issues and maybe potentially turn on echo cancellation. When in fact, I actually don't need to do that. So in this video, I want to share with you how you can fix that issue so that one, you actually don't get any audio. Maybe if you're playing a YouTube video during your live stream or something like that, it doesn't play through your speakers and you're still able to manage the audio all through your Rodecaster Pro and Ecamm Live. So this is a super easy fix. What you want to do is come up in here to your volume levels here and go ahead and pick the internal speakers. Then what you're going to do is let it sit for a second. It really doesn't have to be a second, but just make sure, it closes. Then go ahead and select Rodecaster Pro speaker. Now, once you have done this, these have not gone away yet, but then you notice a couple seconds later, they went ahead and disappeared. By doing this, this allows me to now go up here to where it says Rodecaster Pro Stereo, and that way the computer registers that the internal speakers should not be handling the audio. It should be the Rodecaster Pro. I want Ecamm to notice those changes so it removes the alerts as if there's going to be any audio cancellation necessary. And then I'm going to go ahead and reselect Ecamm Live app audio, because any audio that I'm going to manage is going to be through Ecamm Live and my Rodecaster Pro. So if you've ever noticed where you play audio and you're getting some through the Rodecaster Pro and then you're getting others that are coming through your computer, you may have had that issue. And again, it's only something that I've noticed when I'm using my internal speakers, open up Ecamm, and then I decide I want to use the Rodecaster Pro. So what you want to do ahead of time to just prevent this altogether is before you open up Ecamm Live, if you have previously been using the internal speakers, go ahead and switch it to your Rodecaster Pro first. And then when you open up Ecamm again, it will already be taken care of and it will default to the Ecamm Live app audio. So one of the things I get a lot of compliments on is the audio for my videos as well as for my live streams when I'm using the Rodecaster Pro and the Shure SM7B. If you want to check out the video to see what my exact settings are for the Rodecaster Pro and this microphone, go ahead and click on the video on the screen and check that out.